Nilamardana speaking from Choquant Nostal. The spotlight says main SHS1, GS1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and geography. This is based on geography on GS1. What is the solar energy potential for India? Why there is various in installed capacity? This go to the Indian map as on 28 February 23, 64.3 gigawatt solar power energy installed in India. You see the variation, large variation, highest 16,405 and 75 in Rajasthan. That is 16 gigawatt. And Gujarat 8.8. Go to Arunachal only 11.64 megawatt. Did I go through this? State as mentioned, we collect upon the PIB, that is installed capacity on 28 February 23, Government of India. Then come to the variation. Why variation? How solar factor depends. India potential 750 gigawatt. Depends upon the day and year, latitude, climate, ambient temperature, wind speed, solar spectrum, local soil condition, season. So this India is not a large country. So solar productivity, solar irradiation, solar power capacity varies from Gujarat, Rajasthan to Arunachal Pradesh. So, if there is less solar energy capacity, there is more energy cost will be more. So, accordingly, the variation is there. Again, some state of Arunachal Pradesh, they have sufficient power into hydropower. They don't need any solar. So, they depends upon the factor. State may have different source of energy. State demand may not go for the solar energy. Solar power profitability also varies from state to state. Accordingly, the installed capacity variation is there, completed.